everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time for my personal planner plan with me, and we are planning the week of August 6th through 12th. And I decided to use kind of a hodgepodge of some leftovers that I have that I used in my main planner in previous plan with me's, and they are, I think, all from Victoria Thatcher. I have some leftover cardstock that I thought was really pretty, and this really pretty pink one, and then I have this cute Kate Spade bag, and this is a Kate Spade bag, and I believe this set was called Retro Secretary, and I thought this was really cute too, and I thought that they kind of went together, so I'm gonna put them all together. And then I also have this cute washi that is pink with dots, like metallic pink. I don't know, hodgepodge. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to just get started. So this is my personal planner that I use for my YouTube business. I usually say my YouTube and my Stampin' Up! Business, but I am no longer in the Stampin' Up! Business. I let that expire or run out or whatever. I didn't renew my it's not a subscription. I don't know. I didn't sign up again. I didn't like make the sales to do it, and I didn't try. So I knew it was coming and I was okay with it. So I just let that lapse. I'm really not into that right now, so I thought, you know what, why put the pressure of it and spend the money on it when really I'm just kind of a hobbyist, and if I want to sign up again, I can, but I think the policy is you wait 90 days and then you can sign up again. I don't see myself doing it anytime in the near future, but who knows what the future holds. I might decide some other time to do it, if nothing else, just for the discount, but for right now, I am happy with what I have, and if I'm adding new things, it's not stamps at the moment. And I've seen their new stamps, and they have all sorts of new colors and stuff, and honestly, I know that that gave some people inspiration, and it did me for a little bit, but then the more I thought about it, the more I thought, you know what, that just kind of means I have to buy all new stuff if I want to continue to sell it, because I want to show you guys stuff that I'm actually using that you can purchase, because otherwise, what's the point? And it was just too much for me. I was like, I can't afford to get all new everything. And I didn't really want to. I don't have anywhere to store all of that. I've run out of space in my own room, and I don't use it enough to justify the expense. To be perfectly honest, that's just the reality of it. So I decided just to not do it anymore. It was fun for the minute, and I needed it for the minute, but then now I think I'm okay with what I have. And you know, I'm not saying I won't buy anything new, because Lord knows, but I might not buy Stampin' Up! For a while, just because it's so expensive. It's high quality, most of it I do enjoy. I'm not gonna lie, I told you guys this before, I wouldn't lie to you even if I wanted to try to make the sale. I still have to be honest with you guys, and to be honest, I think it's good stuff, and I really like most of the things that Stampin' Up! Has, but I don't like feeling like I have to use a lot of Stampin' Up! Stuff when there's so much other stuff that's as good as, and in some cases better than, and in most cases less expensive than Stampin' Up! So now they do have some really cute, unique stamp sets that I think are adorable, and I would continue to get those, or will continue to get those if I feel like I need them. But there wasn't anything in this new catalog that made me say, oh gosh, I really need this. There was even a hedgehog set that was super cute. I mean, that people thought was super cute, and they even, like, I had a lot of people tell me, oh look, there's a new Stampin' Up! Hedgehog set, I bet you're going to get that first, and I really appreciate all of you guys thinking of me and saying that, but honestly, I didn't like it. I didn't think the hedgehogs were very cute at all. I think that like there's way other cuter hedgehogs than those. I was just not pleased with them. So all of that to say, this is my YouTube and personal planner. So I'm just really going to do things that I do for YouTube in here, and that does include card making. I do a lot of that still and will continue that. That is a passion of mine. I love paper crafts. Always have, always will, and I don't see any of that changing, just I'm no longer selling it. So I do try to keep up with my comments. I do want to do another one sheet wonder. I need to do knitting videos still and coffee videos. I don't know why. It's been very difficult for me to do videos right now. I don't know what it is. I'm struggling in that. As you guys have probably noticed this summer, I've put less and less out. I mean, I'm still posting a lot and almost daily, if not daily, but it has been a little less content than usual, just because I guess it's summertime and I don't know, I don't have a good excuse. But you know, it's not because I'm not thinking of you. And it's not because I don't want to put videos out there. It's just more that I don't feel like making them. Isn't that weird? It's kind of weird. Even if I say it myself, I know it's kind of weird, but oh well. I'm going to put comments on the weekdays, except for Friday, because on Friday we're going to be moving my son from one dorm at IU to his year-long dorm. He's in a temporary one right now for a freshman experience that he's doing. So go to IU to move Alex. And then I want to do, I still know I need to do a live video. I don't know when or if I'm ever going to get that. I do enjoy it when I do it, but it's just intimidating to get started and to do. It's so weird. And I know you guys want to see knitting, so I definitely have that in my head to do a project share. And then I might also do like a stitches, like I was thinking of doing like a series of different stitches so that you guys can see how to do them. I'm no pro though. That's the only thing that kind of makes me hesitant to do that, but I think that's okay. Watch one, do one, teach one, right? And that might be it for this. So this is going to be a short video, but I don't have a ton of stuff to write in here. And I know I need to get back on track with my Foodie Fridays. I don't know, that hopefully will come again, but right now it's not. And maybe I'll write that down here. That way I can at least see it again and be conscious of it. So there you go. That is this week. I think that's cute. And it's so much fun. I have to say, it's taken some pressure off of me not to have to use the kits. Now, I love the kits. Like this week I used a kit and I love it. I think it's adorable. But the kits are expensive and I almost feel like it's wasteful because I don't use this planner a lot. Even like I decorate it and then I don't always go back and look at it. Now, it's super cute, but goodness gracious, I think this is super cute too, and this was free. Basically, I'm using stuff I already have, you know? So, I don't know. I'm kind of digging the use what you have, at least right now. So, there's that. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk with y'all soon. Bye-bye.